Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So we're over here today with this John Deere X595, and it's a diesel four-wheel drive lawn tractor. And the problem we've got with it today is it's got a flat tire, but instead of just being a flat tire, we've ripped the valve stem out of it. So we're going to take this over and put a new valve stem in it and get this thing back operating. Hope you liked the video. If you do, drop a like. We'd love to have you subscribe. And we love your comments. Have a good one. Okay, and this tire, this wheel is on with 5/8 inch bolts. Okay, so let's go get this fixed. Okay, so here's the rim. There's the air valve hole. Got a new air valve. And I've got an installation tool for that. All that I've got to do is get this tire away from that rim enough to be able to get that in there. So let's go to the Harbor Freight tire changer. Okay, let's see if we can get this to work. I think it will. There we go. So I used the Harbor Freight tire changing tool, to bust the rim off that bead. And now I'll put the valve stem in. Okay, so that's pulled down, hopefully far enough. There we go. This tool, we're going to thread onto the end of our valve stem. And I probably could have put some soap on that, but I already didn't. Okay, and then we'll just pull the valve stem up. There we go. Look at that. Nice. Unscrew our tool. Now that we've got the bead off the rim and we've got the new valve stem installed, we're going to use this tire blaster to reseat the bead back on the rim. Mostly because it's fun. And the bead blaster, there you go. Okay, there we go. One new valve stem installed in the tire on the X595 John Deere lawn tractor, and it's ready to roll. Thanks a lot for watching. If you'd like to see more of this content, go ahead and subscribe.